This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your game version and any required DLC. This prevents wasted effort later. You need to hit the minimum level or finish the prerequisite quest so the raid becomes available. Next, gather the 3 specific keys or the required currency amount. Do this in parallel with leveling to save time. Once done, travel to the raid entrance during the correct in-game window and assemble a team that matches the encounter's role requirements. Now you run the intermediate steps. Assign tank, healer, and DPS roles and finalize loadouts so everyone knows responsibilities. Practice core mechanics in nearby smaller encounters to reinforce timing and avoid wipes. This builds muscle memory. While you progress, tighten communication, use voice and pings or simple macros for callouts so you can react instantly to phase changes. Make sure consumables, buffs, and timed cooldowns are synchronized before you initiate the raid fight. For the final steps, coordinate major cooldowns and position assignments, then engage the boss with a clear plan for each phase transition. After the kill, confirm the unlock or loot by checking your progression menu and any gated NPCs. The unlock is applied automatically on successful completion. If the raid won't unlock, try basic troubleshooting, relog, clear cache, or verify game files. If that fails, reproduce the issue and gather logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.